Hey y'all, it's Matthew here with a quick FAQ. And today we're going to talk about the differences between EverLogic Core Desktop and EverLogic Mobile. We sell two products at EverLogic, our Core Desktop and EverLogic Mobile. So you might be wondering to yourself, what's the difference between the two, and why is the desktop license $129 while the mobile license is only $39? EverLogic Core Desktop is our flagship product. With it, you can do virtually everything you expect a DMS to do. It has a fully functional CRM. You can order and sell vehicles and parts, handle all your repair orders, send all that information to QuickBooks directly from EverLogic, and so much more. It is designed for anyone in your dealership to use. On the other hand, EverLogic Mobile is just for your salespersons and technicians. It is a limited version of EverLogic. EverLogic Mobile can be used anytime you're off-site, whether that is away from your desk or you're meeting a customer at their home or in a repair bay. For sales, users can add or search customers assigned to them, add or search inventory, or do a quote. It's important to note, however, a sale can't be completed on EverLogic Mobile. On the service side, technicians can search for ROs assigned to them, start a new job, clock in for repair, search for parts, and upload pictures straight from their device to EverLogic. Keep in mind, EverLogic Mobile is not an app you can download from the App Store. It is a link and done all online, so you can use any device with the internet and a browser. Ready to learn more about EverLogic? Take some time to check out our free demo, or head on over to the EverLogic blog and learn about all that EverLogic has to offer you. I'm Matthew, and this is your EverLogic Quick FAQ.